हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा टेलीविजन की ओर से गीता जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में दिसंबर माह में कृष्णा कॉन्टेस्ट का आयोजन किया गया था, जिसमें विभिन्न आयु वर्गों के बच्चों ने बड़े ही उत्साह के साथ भाग लिया और इसकी थीम थी भगवद गीता श्लोका रिसाइटेशन। इनमें से जिन बच्चों को चुना गया है उनके वीडियोस हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं और आशा करते हैं कि भविष्य में भी आप सब इसी प्रकार से ऐसी प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लेते रहेंगे और अपनी प्रतिभा को भगवान श्री कृष्ण के श्री चरणों में समर्पित करते रहेंगे। धन्यवाद। हरे कृष्णा।
ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्य योगः। सेकंड चैप्टर ऑफ द भगवद गीता, फर्स्ट श्लोका। संजय उवाच तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणं विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः। Sanjaya says, Vishidantam, seeing the depressed Arjuna, Ashrupurna Kulekshanam, one whose eyes were filled with tears, Uvacha Madhusudanaha. Shri Madhusudana spoke these words out of compassion. Shloka number 2, Adhyayam 2. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kutasva Kashmalamidam Vishame Samupasthitam Anaryajushtamasvaryam Akirtikaram Arjuna. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan says, Kutaha, from where? Kashmalamidam, this foul delusion. From where did you get this foul delusion? Also, Samupasthitam, in this point of time, in this critical hour, from where did you get such a foul delusion, O Arjuna? Shri Krishna says this as a critical hour because Arjuna is in the battlefield and he is supposed to fight with the Kauravas in another few moments, but he is seated in the chariot saying that he will not fight. Hence, Shri Krishna says this. He also says, it is anaryam, ignoble, aswargam. You will not get a swarga, this will not lead you to the heavens. Akirtikaram Arjuna, this is disgraceful Arjuna, this will give you infame Arjuna. And Shri Krishna continues in the third shloka of the second adhyayam. Klaibyam masmagamah partha naitatvai upapadyate shudram hridaya laubalyam tyaktvotishtha parantapa. Klaibyam denotes unmanliness. Klaibyam masmagamah partha. Do not succumb to this unmanliness, O Partha. Do not succumb to this cowardice. Nai tatvai upapadyate. This is not worth of you. This does not suit you, O Partha. Shri Krishna addresses Arjuna as Partha, Prithayaha putraha Parthaha, which means Pritha's son or Kunti's son. And also, Shri Krishna says, Shudram Hridaya Daurvalyam. Daurvalyam denotes weakness. Hridaya Daurvalyam, the weakness of the heart. Shudram Hridaya Daurvalyam Tyaktva, having shed this petty faintness of heart, Tishtha, Uttishtha Parantapa, get up, O scorcher of enemies, this is not suitable for you. Get up and fight. And Arjuna, as a reply to Shri Krishna's words, says in the fourth shloka of the second adhyayam, Arjuna uvacha katham bhishmamaham sankhye dronam cha madhusudana ishubhis pratiyotyami pujarha varisudana. Katham means how. Bhishmam Dronam cha sankhye. How will I fight with Bhishma and Drona in war? O Madhusudana, Ishubhya Pratiyotyami. How will I fight with them using arrows, O Madhusudana? And Arjuna also tells a reason for this. Pujarha Varisudana. They are worthyful only of my homage. Only my worship suits them, O Madhusudana, O slayer of enemies. How can I fight with them? In the shloka, the second line, Arjuna addresses Shri Krishna as slayer of enemies. And in the fifth shloka, Arjuna continues further. Fifth shloka of the second adhyayam. गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्षमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामान् सुगुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्. Guruna hatva hi mahanubhavan. Than having such gurus and such mahanubhavas killed, Shreyaha, it is better, bhoktum bhaikshyamapiha loke, to live on alms, to eat a beggar's food and live, to take bhiksha and eat. Arjuna also adds, Hatvarthakaman suguruni haiva bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pratigdhad. If I were to kill such great honorable people and enjoy pleasures, then all of those pleasures will be smeared with blood. He says, having such great people killed, and if I enjoy any pleasures, then I will not receive any happiness from it, O Krishna. Also, Arjuna further surrenders to Bhagavan Shri Krishna, and the Gitopadesham starts with the 11th shloka. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Hari Om.
Hare Krishna. My name is Agna. I am 11 years old. अथ चतुर्थोऽध्यायः ज्ञानकर्मसन्न्यासयोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. If these three qualities, physically falling at the teacher's feet, asking appropriate questions to the teacher and not with the intention of testing or examining the teacher, and doing seva to the teacher are fulfilled by a student, only then knowledge can be easily transferred from the teacher to the student. अथ षष्ठोऽध्यायः आत्मसंयमयोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच युक्ताहारविहारस्य युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः. Have a sense of proportion or yukta in all your habits and activities. Ahara, food. Vihara, physical exercise. Swapna, sleep. And avabodha, waking hours. Atha tritiyodhyayah कर्मयोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते. Whatever actions great persons perform, common people follow. Whatever standards they set, all the world pursues. One must set a good example for the world. अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी. One who does not hate any other being, who is friendly and compassionate to all, who is free from the feelings of I and mine, even-minded in all situations, forgiving and ever contented, will be a happy person. अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः साङ्ख्ययोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच सुखदुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जयाजयौ ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि. Consider victory, defeat, gain, loss, joy and sorrow alike. Focus on doing your duty and fight your battles in your life. Thus remain even-minded in all situations. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Good morning, Gurudev. I am V. George. I am studying 7th class in Tirupati. Now I am going to say about second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. I bow down to the Supreme Consciousness. Atha Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And now we start the Holy Bhagavad Gita. Dvitiyodhyayaha Sankhya Yogaha. And this starts the second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which describes Sankhya Yoga, where Lord Krishna analyzes the nature of being human. Sanjaya Uvacha. King Dhritarashtra's minister Sanjaya continued to narrate the ongoings of war at the battlefield of Kurukshetra. This is the first shloka. Tam tada krupaya vishtam ashrupurna kulekshanam Vishidantamidam vakyam uvacha Madhusudanaha. Sanjaya said, O King Dhritarashtra, after Arjuna collapsed into his chariot, overwhelmed with grief and suffering, who haven't gone to war against his own men. Lord Krishna saw the pitiful state of Arjuna and spoke the following words. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. Lord Krishna said, this is second shloka. Kutastvakashmalamidam Vishame samupastitam Anarya drishtamasvargyam Akirtikaram Arjuna. O Arjuna, from where has this delusion entered you at this critical time? It is not befitting of your honor. This confusion will spoil your pleasantliness and your reputation. This is the third shloka. Klaibyam masmagama pata naitatvayupapadyate Shudram hridaya daurbalyam Tyaktvottishta parantapa. O Partha, do not give in to cowardliness. It doesn't suit you well. Give in to weakness of harm and arise. This is fourth shloka. Arjuna Uvacha. And then Arjuna said, Katam Bhishmamaham Sankhe Dronam cha Madhusudana Ishubhe Pratiyodhyami Puja Dhabarisudana. O Madhusudana, how could I ever fight against the men I worship like Bhishma and Dronacharya? How could I shoot them down with my arrows in this battle? Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshamapi galoke Hatma tamamanstu guru nihaiva Bhunjiya bhogan rudira pradigdan. This is the fifth sloka. It is better to live in this world by begging for alms than to enjoy life with wealth and pleasures earned at the cost of spilling my Guru's blood. Thank you for all Gurujis for giving me this opportunity. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. My name is Adishri. I am going to recite 5 slokas from Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is, chapter 2, sloka number 13. Dehi nosmin yata dehe kaumaram yavvanam jara tata dehandara praptir dhirastatra namuhyati. Translation: as the embodied soul continuously passes in this body from childhood to youth to old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at death. A sober person is not bewildered by such a change. Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is, chapter 2, sloka number 22. Vasamsi jirnani yada vihaya navani grahnati naroparani tata sarirani vihaya jirnan anyani samyadi navani dehi. Translation: as a person puts on new garments, giving up old one, the soul similarly accepts a new material body at death. Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is, chapter 4, sloka number 8. परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्मसंस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Translation: to deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to re-establish the principles of religion, I myself appear millennium after millennium. Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is, chapter 7, sloka number 4. Bhumir apo nalo vayo kammano buddhireva cha ahankara iti yamme binna prakritir ashtada. Translation: Earth, water, fire, air, sky, mind, intelligence, false ego. These 8 comprise my separated material energy. Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is, chapter 9, sloka number 26. Patram pushpam phalam doyam yo me bhaktya prayachadi tat aham bhakti ubahriddam asnami prayadatmanaha. Translation: if one offers me with love and devotion a fruit, a flower, a leaf or water, I will accept it. Hare Krishna.
ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. मैं घोर अंधकार में उत्पन्न हुई थी और मेरे गुरु ने अपने ज्ञान रूपी प्रकाश से मेरी आंखें खोल दी. मैं उन्हें सादर नमस्कार करती हूँ. हरे कृष्णा. मैं यशी आपके समक्ष तृतीय अध्याय के प्रथम 5 श्लोकों का वाचन करूंगी. श्लोक संख्या 1. अर्जुन उवाच ज्यायसि चेत कर्मणस्ते मता बुद्धिर्जनार्दन तत् किं कर्मणि घोरे मां नियोजयसि केशव. अर्जुन ने कहा, हे जनार्दन, हे केशव, यदि आप सकाम कर्म की अपेक्षा बुद्धि को श्रेष्ठ मानते हैं तो फिर आप मुझे इस घोर युद्ध में क्यों लगाना चाहते हैं. श्लोक संख्या 2. व्यामिश्रेणेव वाक्येन बुद्धिं मोहयसीव मे तदेकं वद निश्चित्य येन श्रेयो अहम् आप्नुयाम्. आपके व्यामिश्रित उपदेशों से मेरी बुद्धि मोहित हो गई है, अतः कृपा करके निश्चय पूर्वक मुझे ऐसा उपदेश दीजिए जो मेरे लिए सर्वाधिक श्रेयस्कर हो. श्लोक संख्या 3. श्री भगवानुवाच लोके अस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया नघ ज्ञानयोगेन सांख्यानां कर्मयोगेन योगिनां. श्री भगवान ने कहा, हे निष्पाप अर्जुन, मैं तुम्हें पहले ही बता चुका हूँ कि आत्म साक्षात्कार का प्रयत्न करने वाले 2 प्रकार के पुरुष होते हैं. कुछ तो इसे ज्ञान योग द्वारा समझने का प्रयत्न करते हैं तो कुछ भक्तिमय सेवा द्वारा. श्लोक संख्या 4. न कर्मणाम नारंभान नैष्कर्म्यं पुरुषोऽश्नुते न च संन्यसनादेव सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति. ना ही कोई अपने नियत कर्मों से विमुख होकर कर्मफल से छुटकारा पा सकता है, न केवल संन्यास से सिद्धि प्राप्त होती है. श्लोक संख्या 5. न हि कश्चित् क्षणम् अपि जातु तिष्ठत्य कर्मकृत् कार्यते ह्यवशः कर्म सर्वः प्रकृतिर्जैर्गुणैः. कोई भी एक क्षण मात्र के लिए भी इस जगत में तीनों कालों में कर्म किए बिना नहीं रह सकता, अतः उसे प्रकृति के अर्जित गुणों द्वारा विवश होकर कर्म करना ही पड़ता है. हरे कृष्णा.
Hare Krishna. My name is Leela Manjari and I am from London. Now I am going to recite 5 shlokas from the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita 5.22. ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगा दुःखयोनय एव ते अध्यन्तवन्त कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधाः. An intelligent person does not take part in the sources of misery, which are due to contact with the material senses. O son of Kunti, such pleasures have a beginning and an end, and so the wise man does not delight in them. Bhagavad Gita 18.61. ईश्वर सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशे अर्जुन तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्ररूढानि मायया. The Supreme Lord is situated in everyone's heart, O Arjuna, and is directing the wanderings of all living entities who are seated as on a machine made of the material energy. Bhagavad Gita 15.15. Sarvasya chaham hridhi sannivishto matta smritirjnanamopohanam cha vedesha sarverahameva vedyo vedanta krit vedavideva chaham. I am seated in everyone's heart, and from me comes remembrance, knowledge, and forgetfulness. By the Vedas I am to be known. Indeed, I am the compiler of Vedanta and knower of the Vedas. Bhagavad Gita 8.5. Antakale cha mameva smaran muktva kalevaram yah prayati samadbhavam yati nasti atra samshaya. Whoever at the end of his life quits his body, remembering me alone, at once attains my nature. Of this there is no doubt. Bhagavad Gita 9.22. Ananyas chintayanto mam ye jana pariyupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. To those who worship me with exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Myself V. Anjani Tanuja from Grade 6 Rainbow International School, Hyderabad. Today I am going to recite Bhagavad Gita slokas which tells us the reason why Bhagwan Sri Krishna incarnates himself and how Bhagwan Sri Krishna teaches us about karma and bhakti in our life. Chapter 4 verse 7 and 8. Bhagavan uvacha yada yada hi dharmasya ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. Translation. Whenever and wherever there is a decline of righteousness, O descendant of Bharata, and a predominant rise of irreligion, at that time I descend myself. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Translation. To deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants as well as to re-establish the principles of religion, I myself appear millennium after millennium. Chapter 2 verse 47. Shri Bhagavan uvacha karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalaheturbhur ma te sangostava karmani. Translation. You have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action. Never consider yourself the cause of results of your activities and never be attached to not doing your duty. Chapter 12 verse 1 and 2. Arjuna uvacha evam satatayuktaye bhaktastvam pariyupasate ye chapyaksharam avyaktam tesam ke yoga vittamaha. Translation. Arjuna inquired, which are considered to be more perfect, those who are engaged in your devotional service, or those who worship the impersonal Brahman, the unmanifested? Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Mayyaveśya mano ye mam nityayukta upasate shraddhaya parayopetas te me yuktatamamataah. Translation: The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Those who fix their minds on my personal form and are engaged in worshipping me with great and transcendental faith are considered by me to be most perfect." Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna devotees, my name is Madhav and today I am going to recite 5 shlokas from Bhagavad Gita. Text 4.1. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Imam Vivashvate Yogam Proktavan Aham Avyayam Vivaswan Manave Praha Manur Ikshvakave Bravit. The personality of Godhead, Lord Shri Krishna, said, I instructed the imperishable science of yoga to the sun god, Vivaswan, and Vivaswan instructed it to Manu, the father of mankind, and Manu in turn instructed it to Ikshvaku. Text 10.8. Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattas sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddhabhava sanmanvitaah. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Text 10.9. Macchitta madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam katayantascha mam nityam tushyanti charamanti cha. Translation: The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me, their lives fully devoted to my service, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. Text 10.10. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam tadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. To those who are constantly serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. Text 10.11. Teshamevānukam partam aham ajnanajam tamaha nasayamyatma bhavasto jnanadipena bhasvata. To show them my special mercy, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
ऐसे ही और भक्तिमय कार्यक्रमों के लिए देखिए हरे कृष्णा टेलीविजन। इसे प्राप्त करने के लिए आप अपने केबल अथवा DTH ऑपरेटर से संपर्क करें तथा और अधिक जानकारी के लिए आज ही डायल करें 8767 845 845।